What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2017 Lexus ES 350. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 268 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, with this mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. So the Lexus ES has always been a very popular luxury sedan in the United States. Very comfortable car, very smooth ride, and just simple. There's no gimmick to it. It's just a comfortable, nice car to drive around in every day. And Lexus videos on my channel are very popular, whether it's an older one or newer one. So I try to give videos as much as possible on Lexus, as you guys know. This one has a pretty nice interior. It's like a cream interior. Or tan, actually, with the two-tone brown steering wheel. You also have wood trim, and infotainment system's a little bit outdated. Not really. This one doesn't even have the touchpad. It has this little rotary dial thing, and you have a reverse camera right there. I like the little Lexus clock. You also have ventilated seats and heated seats, which is cool. Heated steering wheel. Those are very nice features. You have eco, normal, and sport mode. Press for normal, turn it to the right for sport. Parking sensors, blind spot monitoring system in this car as well. You also have wooden trim on the doors, nice sunroof, and the seats are very comfortable. Lexus ES seats have always been very comfortable, and center console storage looks pretty good too. Let's walk around this car. This one has 108,000 miles on it, and it's in pretty good condition. Miles are definitely a little bit high for a 2018, but still in great condition. You have a silver exterior on this one, Lexus spindle grille, signature Lexus daytime running lights. You also have, looks like you have an HID projector bulb, and you also have a halogen daytime running light, from what it looks like to me. Let's open this mirror for driving. Here are the rear seats. Nice vacuum. The carpet mats back there. I actually like the tan with the brown interior. It looks good. But with the lighter interior, you always have to be careful to keep it clean, right? Dual outlet exhaust. That looks good. Here's the trunk space. Looks pretty good, actually. And you also have a little pass-through for skis or longer items. Yeah, pretty standard ES design. Doesn't really stand out. It just blends in, which is kind of the point of this car. But it looks good nonetheless. There's really nothing offensive about the design of this car. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. And this generation of the ES was out for quite a while, actually. I think it was like 6 or 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty good acceleration. The 6-speed automatic does a decent job. The steering is definitely a little bit, it's not very direct. There's a little bit of vagueness in the steering, which I'm not surprised by. But I really like the wood trim on Lexus steering wheels. They look really good, and it feels good too. Like, it's nice. It has a nice feel to it. And you can put it in manual mode if you want, but I don't think most people would be using manual mode in this car anyway. Very smooth ride. Like, this car, as I said, has 108,000 miles, so you would not be able to tell it has those many miles. It feels so nice and smooth. It just glides along the road. Typical Lexus ES drive. As I mentioned, they all pretty much feel like this. And I think this is the third Lexus ES video I made on the channel. I've also made a video on a 2025 model and a 2013 model, and I think I'll be able to get a video on a 2021 F Sport soon, so I'm excited to do that. Just depends on the availability of the vehicle, but I'm gonna try my best to get you guys a video on that. And I think recently on the channel I uploaded a video on a 2018 Lexus GS350 F Sport and a 2015 Lexus RC350. So if you guys want to check that out. The overall very nice drive. As I said, nothing surprises me about this. Everything feels really nice. Seats are comfortable. Visibility is good. No complaints at all about the driving experience of this vehicle. This is a great budget-friendly car. If you're looking for something nice and reliable that'll be comfortable to drive every single day. Like, this especially, as I said, is like a testament to, I mean, this one was well taken care of, but 108,000 miles. The suspension feels great for having those kinds of miles. There's no roughness at all. Like, over these bumps, it just smoothly goes over the bumps. Very nice car right here. But overall, nice 2017 Lexus ES350 right here. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for high quality pre-owned vehicles like this one.